Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale app development with ConsenSys, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what scaling app development means in the context of blockchain technology. Identify the unique challenges developers face in creating decentralized applications, or dApps. Research ConsenSys is a leading Ethereum software company that offers tools and resources for developers. Familiarize yourself with ConsenSys products such as Infura, Truffle, and Codify. Download and install Truffle, a development framework for Ethereum that makes it easier to build dApps. Set up your development environment by installing Node.js if you haven't already. Create a new Truffle project by running the command truffle init in your terminal. Develop your smart contracts using Solidity, the programming language for Ethereum. Test your smart contracts locally using the built-in Truffle development blockchain with Truffle Develop. Deploy your contracts to the Ethereum network by using Infura, which provides a reliable connection without needing to run your own node. Register an Infura account and create a new project to obtain your project ID. Once you have your project ID, configure your Truffle project with Infura by editing the truffleconfig.js file. Use the Truffle migration, focus on user experience by integrating wallet solutions like MetaMask to allow users to interact with your dApp seamlessly. Monitor your dApp's performance by utilizing tools such as Etherscan to track transactions and activities. Stay updated with ConsenSys documentation and community forums to learn best practices and troubleshoot issues. Continuously iterate on your dApp based on user feedback and technological advancements. Consider leveraging ConsenSys's educational resources, such as online courses and webinars, to enhance your skills. Collaborate with other developers through ConsenSys's Ethereum developer communities to share knowledge and resources. Emphasize security by conducting regular audits of your smart contracts to Ultimately, scaling your app development with ConsenSys involves a blend of the right tools, continuous learning, and active community engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.